Sleep Well pillow spray infused with lavender oil. Hey my lovelies, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Toby. In today's video, I have a Cherryz homeware haul here for you, and I want to give a big shout out to Cherryz for gifting me all the items in this video. And this is the box right here. I haven't gone through it. I'm just going to show you everything I got. Cherryz is an online store like B&M's, Home Bargain, Woco, you know, the stores where we get all our everyday essentials from. And they also have an app that you can make your purchases through. I'll put the link down in the description box below. And of course, I've got you all a discount code, 25% discount on your first £20 purchase. So you have to make a purchase of minimum of £20, and you get 25% off of that. And you can use this code LifeWithToby25 to get this discount. And before we get into this video, please do not forget to like this video, share, and please consider subscribing to my channel to support my channel. And let's get into it. The first item I picked up from the store is this hot water bottle with plush cover. This one right here, really nice and soft, and I love the color as well. I do not like the cold at all, so I picked this up for myself to keep me nice and warm. I'm not going to tell you the price here, but I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen because I cannot even remember. So I'm just going to leave it somewhere on the screen. I took away the wrap because it was making a lot of noise, so I didn't want the video to be too noisy, so that's why it doesn't have a cover on it. And of course, along came this super cozy socks. You know, I just want to have the socks to wear in the house. Now I cannot, you know, walk barefoot without my fluffy socks, so I wanted to try this cozy socks. And I also picked this for my husband, this long thermal socks as well. And yeah, I just picked this one. This is extra long. It gets cold as well. It gets really cold, so I picked this two up. The next item I picked up is this bathroom air freshener. It's Blossom and Breeze air freshener. We all know what this is, and you know me, I love a nice scented bathroom, so I picked it up for my bathroom. And I also picked up this argan oil hair treatment. I've actually tried this before. I use it on my hair and on my girl's hair as well, and this is really good. So when I saw it on their app, I said, oh my gosh, I better pick this up. And it's not very expensive, as you can see on the screen right there, and this is 20 mils, and I'm so excited to see this, so I picked this up. The next item I picked from the store is this Cookhouse microwave plate covers. I think I've circled most of the stores and I couldn't find this. I just wanted a spare for, you know, for my kitchen, and I couldn't find them in all the stores. And when I saw it on Cherryz, I was so excited, so I picked this up, and it comes in two as well. I think this one costs about £1.50, but I'm not really sure. The price will be on the screen like you said. I keep saying that. And I also picked up this ironing board cover, and comes in this metallic gray right here. And I actually compared the prices with some of other stores. It is quite cheap on Cherryz. And I also picked these satin pillowcases and scrunchie set. It comes with two scrunchie, one satin pillowcase. I actually purchased this for the satin pillowcase because I sleep with my bonnet, but by the time I wake up, my bonnet is already somewhere. But with satin pillowcases, whatever, my head is always still on the pillow, so, and it protects my hair as well. The scrunchie are for my girls. I'm so happy that they have two of these in here and one pillowcase, so yeah, it goes around for all three of us. The next item I picked from the store is this lavender dustbin freshener, and this I'm really excited about. Comes in twos. You know, in the house you do not want your bean smelling bad, you want your bean to smell fresh, and so I picked this two up. I'm really happy about this too. The next item I picked from the store is this extra white Oral-B. Honestly, I saw it there, I picked it up. And I also picked up this vitamin C brightening makeup remover wipes. Anything vitamin C, I think. I don't know, I always go for anything vitamin C because it's citrus. It's really good for your skin, so I picked this up. I also picked up this mini plastic cutting board. I actually got this for my little one. She always wanted to help me, you know, in the kitchen to do some cutting and some cooking. So I said, you know what, why not get our own plastic cutting board for her, and I know she's going to be really excited about this, and it's so cute too. And also this is a floral disinfectant. I picked this one up in Midnight Blooms. It's just, you know, you have to dilute this to clean surfaces. You can use it to clean kitchen, bathroom, add floor, you know, add surfaces, pet areas as well. And this is really good. I've tried this before. And it smells really nice too. I like this scent right here. This one is Midnight Blue. I also picked up this Reviving Gold Eye Gel Patches enriched with collagen. This one right here, there's 6 pairs in this one. I'm really happy about this. I work most nights, you know, mostly I work night shift, and I have young ones, and I don't get the luxury of sleeping like hours and hours in the daytime, you know, when I get back from work. So I just wanted something to like help my under eye area. So when I saw this, I just picked this up. I also picked up this Astonage antibacterial surface cleaner, and this one is in pomegranate and raspberries. I've tried this before. It smells amazing, and you know, clean your house, and your house will be smelling really nice, not smell of chemical, because this one is actually a vegan product as well. So I'm really happy about this one. I know you're gonna say, oh my god, all these are cleaning product. Oh my gosh, I purchased the things that I actually need in the house, so bear with me, everyone. The next item I picked up is this Astonage Hub Cleaner. This is for my hub. I just, you know, antibacterial as well, and this one is in zesty lemon. I'm really happy about this as well. I'm happy about all the items I purchased. Yes, I know, another cleaning product. I got this Fabulosa Sink and Drain Unblocker, and this one is in Lemon Shea right here. I'm really happy about this one. Before you use this one, you have to put on the gloves, you know, to protect your skin as well, because this is actual chemical. So I'm really happy about this one. I know that I was running out of this fairy liquid here, so when I saw it on the app, I picked this one up. The next item I picked up from the store is this Sleep Well pillow spray infused with lavender oil. I've not actually tried this one before, so I'm really excited to try this. Who doesn't want to sleep well? It says rest and relax, and blended with essential oil, so that's the lavender in there. I'm going to try this, and maybe I'll let you know how it goes in my next video. Now to the yummy stuff. I picked up this Haribo rainbow stripe. I really like Haribo, so I picked this one up. I'm excited to try this one. And I also picked up this pepperami sausages. My children love this, so I picked this one for them. And the next item I picked up is this Maryland cookies, mini cookies, just little in there, and 6 mini bags. So this is really nice. This is really nice cookies for my kids. It's literally 2 bags, and you know, just for their snack time. And I also picked up this Ritz Golden Moment, you know, Ritz biscuit. We know what this is. I really like this Ritz, so I picked it up. This one is mainly for me. My kids don't like this very much, so this is for me. And I also picked up yet again this item right here, this mini pop. This one in raspberries, and this one right here in lemonade. I've actually tried them both before. I like the raspberry better, but my kids love the lemonade one. It's amazing. You just have to put it in the fridge and enjoy. You can only enjoy this while it's chilled. You know, I really love this. So when I saw it, I said, oh my gosh, I need to purchase this again. I actually picked 2 of this one, but because of my girls, I know they don't really like this raspberry very much. They like the lemonade better, so I had to switch and I picked up 1 of each. I'm really excited about this one. Yay! The final item in this box is this rose hip and jasmine candle. You know me, I always purchase candle, and I always leave the best for last. Well, for me anyway. I really like candles. So when I saw this rose hip and jasmine, I just wanted to try it. Amazing. It smells really nice. And yeah, this is it for this haul today. Thank you everyone for sticking with me through this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to use the discount code LifeWithToby25 for 20% discount when you purchase a minimum of £20 on the app. I will put the link down in the description box below, so you can go and check it out. And thank you all for watching this video, and please do not forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel to support my channel. And I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye.